Are you looking for real ways to make money online in 2025 without any startup cash or crazy tech skills? In this video, I'll be showing you 3 powerful methods that are working right now, 2025, and can be used by beginners. My name is Isaac Tumaturi, a young tech entrepreneur who is passionate about helping people make real online income. And I've tested a bunch of online money making methods, and I'll be sharing with you 3 of the easiest yet being profitable and beginner friendly. The first on the list is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product or service online, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get commission. You don't have to handle shipping or inventory. You just have to find what someone is already interested in or what the market is interested in and promote it. The best places to start are Amazon Association, Digistore24, and the likes. And this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Do you know why I say so? Because most of us already have social media accounts. All you have to do is pick something that people are already interested in, promote it, and then you could be making money online. Second is Pod, print on demand. This is where you create custom products like mugs, t-shirts, or phone cases and never have to handle inventory. You just create the designs and hand them over to companies like Printify or Telesprings, and they will handle the printing, packaging, and shipping all for you. Now, in this kind of business model, you need to know how to create designs and some softwares that can help you in creating designs like Canva, Adobe Express. And when you scale up to a large amount, to a reasonable amount, you can employ workers who are specialized in this field, who can help you create better designs and generate more passive income. Third is YouTube monetization. You don't have to be famous or even show your face to make money on YouTube in 2025. There are some channels making thousands of dollars every month just by posting faceless videos using AI tools, stock footage, and trending topics. Apart from YouTube monetization, you can also make money on YouTube through AdSense. This is the money that manufacturers are willing to pay for their ads to run on your video. Another one is selling digital products on merch. And last but not the least is fan support via Patreon or Super Thanks. You just have to pick a niche, be consistent, and watch as you build momentum. There you have it: affiliate marketing, print on demand, and YouTube monetization. 3 ways to start making money online in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. Which will you try first? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want a full tutorial or any, drop a comment and I will make it happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you on the other side.